This was way back in 2019 when I used to have a lot of pain in my left leg. Driving the car became difficult. I was unable to press the clutch, and it deteriorated to such an extent that lying down on the bed was also a problem. Sitting on the commode was uh, so much difficult I cannot explain. Uh, I met few orthopedic surgeons. The immediate reply was, "You get it replaced, and you would be fine." One of those doctors I asked, "Okay, you have replaced 500 hip joints, but how many have you repaired?" And he had no answer. I was lucky enough that I found Dr. Haraprasad's Global Health Clinic ad in one of the Facebooks. So I contacted him and I reached him. He assured me that after few sessions you will be relieved your pain, and within next few months your hip joint will start getting repaired by itself, and eventually after some point of time it will become fine. So the first time I reached him, I still remember, from Delhi to Haldwani, my car drive was so difficult. My driver was not able to drive for more than 25-30 kilometers per hour. Once we reached him, I was there for 5 days, and I still remember after the third day, my pain started reducing. And after first 5 sessions, my pain was much better. And this way we continued for next six months. And post 6 months, I was able to do many of the things which I earlier was not able to do. Like now, I'm able to climb stairs for up to 3-4 stories of building. Recently, I went to Nainital all by myself, and I was driving the car to and fro. Day before yesterday, I drove car for almost 650 kilometers in a day. Lying down, going to washroom, sitting on commode, all those things, those problems have become thing of a past. So I strongly recommend everybody who has AVN to come and consult Dr. Haraprasad, because he has been my life changer. He has saved me from going under knife, and I thank him from the bottom of my heart. I also wish him all the good luck for his venture. Thank you so much.